I'm so proud of every person on this call and every person affiliated with our group and this Piatt Sotheby's family. As you all know, our goal is to be the best in this business. Through this challenge, I think we're going to come out of this better than we came into it. It is an opportunity for us to shine. It's an opportunity for us to be better for people. It's an opportunity for us to look within and self-improve.
So grateful to have a group of people willing to share their ideas and thoughts. And
hey, yo, Jack. Hey, Jack, you always call me in the middle of doing a happy hour.
Thank you, everybody.
First responders,
restaurant workers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You know, with life, you're only passing through. And it's what you accomplish when you're passing through and how you treat people. And like I've always said, and I've told the kids there tonight, I want you to treat me like I treat you. I want to treat you like I want you to treat me. We do a lot of dreaming because I believe the dream makes reality. I think if you dream, it'll happen.